Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram login error. To know how to fix Instagram login error, you should just go to settings here. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here, like this, and you will click. When you will see this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram login error. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.